Hello traders, we are pleased to announce the latest edition of EURUSD Blast Pro to enhance the trading for intraday traders, for binary option traders, and for scalping traders. So binary profits are amazing if you know what you are doing and if you have a system which works 90% of the time. Also, that same system can be used for EURUSD scalping effectively. We are offering complete workspace setup, complete toolset which I will demonstrate. It is only for TradeStation at this point to make it cost effective for all parties. You have lifetime support on these tools, and you can engage us for 12 hours one day of your choice, where we will call the trades live. So we want to see that you are able to understand the system and you're able to call the trades, and we are going to be there analyzing your mindset, analyzing your capabilities to use this system. We will sit together, make all the calls. You can, let's say you want to use this for binary profits. You can open it a trial account with one of the binary companies. You can make $1,000 bets on a paper trade, and you can see in those 12 hours how much money do you make. Your job should be able to pick 10 good trades net effectively without having to scale in, reaching a profit of $6,666 in 12 hours. So you're just paying for one day profit with this system strategy. So let's get started. This is the system you are going to be getting. Logic is pretty straightforward. The system has been tuned to the vibration of EURUSD. On the left side, you have a larger time frame trend. Which direction is market moving? Mid-size, faster, faster, and going down to 1 minute trend. The logic is pretty straightforward. If the larger cycles are shifting down, the second larger cycle is shifting down, we want to take shorts only. This is also visible in this big red fat line right there, telling us the pressure is down. Look for short entries only. And we are going down to the third time frame down. Starting effectively from this point, we take the shorts here. And if you took this short, you pretty much captured the whole move down for 120, 30 pips. If not, you can do effectively different ways. Taking shorts here, shorts here. The system will explain very clearly how you will be taking shorts. Shorts here. So not only you are going to take shorts in the direction of the larger trend for scalping or midterm trading, you got like 4 or 5 good trades. We can also, as I said, use this system for binary options also. So we have a bunch of indicators which is pretty straightforward. So at this point, it's very clear that I want to take a short. And I want to hold the shorts. I'm going to take a short here, hold the shorts. Right? For scalping. So you can use this Entry into scalping. Now this is an oscillator. There are 8 rules of the oscillator you should be aware of. So this is one of the rules which says average is below 25, is pressure is down, market releases, it's a slingshot down, short right there. This value is 64, jam 64, jam 64, shorts only. Trend on the higher time frame is down. Same thing here, jam 64. So you have two jam 64 short confirmation which came at this point. Let's say here. And then 1 minute also is now the oscillator is at the value of 89. Right? So everything lines up for a short sequence. Now, this is how you will be going and joining the larger cycles and trading in the direction of the larger cycle movement. Now, to use this system for binary option, on this 1 minute chart, we know we want to go shorts. Now, this is double stochastic. You can see it's very noisy, right? The oscillator which we have tells us to go short here nicely, tells us to go short here nicely. Jam 64 short here, overbought short here. This is a shorting area, but it is blocked right now because of this fat line, and I will explain that. So to get very effective results from binary options, we have to have a simple philosophy that we have the cycles, at least 2 or 3 cycles higher time frame in our direction going backwards. So this is 1 minute. So this cycle, the higher the next cycle, this is all in sequence. Slow west, little faster than this one. So each chart is faster than the one on the left. So this is the slowest. This is faster compared to the chart on the left. This is faster compared to the chart on the left. This is faster compared to the chart on the left. And this is 1 minute chart. So if you want to take the shorts and long to be your most effective trader, in 12 hours you will get 4 or 5 good hours where you can get 10 trades easily. We have to wait for everything to be aligned in our direction. Just to give you an example, right here is the location where the shorts were enabled. Longs are blocked. Look at the next slower time frame. It started right here, and the next cycle. So we have 4 cycles right here. Let me put it down right here. And obviously this whole cycle has been down. So we have all these time frames assigned to be on the short side at this duration. Alright, so what do we do for binary in that case? There are simple rules. You also have 2 wave functions plotted on this 1 minute chart right there. The blue line and the red line. When we have the short confirmation, you ignore the long. Stochastic is trying to give you a false signal to go up. This is where people get in trouble. We are saying all the cycles are down, go shorts only, which has been confirmed since this point. So what we need to do is simple rule. You see this oscillator right here? When we are in a shorting situation, let this guy go to the top 2 lines. Right here, right here, right here. Right? So that is one of the conditions we need to worry about and say, okay, trend is strong down. Let this guy come to the other side to fall back down. That is one condition. Second condition is that we want the price to touch the blue wave function line. Right there. It touched it here. Go short. 1 minute binary, you won that trade. It touched again on this one too, you go short again. Touched here, short again. Touched here, short again, touched here, short again, touch here, short again, touch here, short again. So you every time market went here, it stopped. Next one won, this one, depending on how aggressively you were able to get the entry. Right here, short here. You may have won by 1 or 2, 3 ticks. If not, short again, won nicely. Short again, won nicely. Short again, won nicely. Well, hold on a second. This one, when you shorted this one, now you see this one, this is where the oscillator was. We want to make sure that this oscillator is on the top side. So this one was the good trade. It went up to the blue line, saw a tail come in, and we won nicely by 20, let's see, 693 by 10 pips. So this was the perfect entry right here, and second entry right here, and the third entry right here. And if you want to continue to take the shorts, you take the shorts when it touches the line. Touches the line here, go short. You won that also by 5-6 pips. Touches this line. This one also won by 5 pips. Now this is where you have to have a perfect entry system. When you hit it, you hit it. Can't think. And this one again, you take a shot, it worked. This one right here, you enter short one. When it touches again this line, take short, is won nicely. So you may have lost one trade in this whole sequence, which you could have won by doubling anyways. So this is how you do it on the binary. So you got short here, you got short here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades you got right there in a span of 10 minutes. And if you are trading big lot, $10,000, you have $60,000 right there. You need to have that level of precision. Again, same thing again. Trend is still down. Now you see this cycle has become fat again. This fat again. Stochastic is moving down. We have already an intention of going short because of the oscillator condition. Right here somewhere. We're waiting for this guy to get fat. It got fat right there. So what do? We wait for this oscillator to go up or the line to be touched on the blue line to be touched. It touched right here, go short, right here. Touched right here, go short, boom. Touched right here, this also won. Now this is again, we have to zoom in a little bit. Alright. Again, we are in a shorting condition. So if you went short by touching the line, you may have won by 5 pips, depending on the entry. If entry is not good, you will be, there will be a challenge on those. So even the stochastic is telling you to go up. You see the pressure is down, telling you to avoid getting in the trouble of stochastic. Alright, this is how you do the trend trading. Let's take one more example on the long side. So on the long side, it started becoming fat at this point. On the right side, you see one cycle is also fat. Stochastic is moving up. This guy is not fat, green is moving up. This guy is against us. So we have at least 2 more cycles going with us. And If we would have taken long here, this could have worked as well, but again, this is not going with the trend. Stochastic is moving down, and eventually you get 1 bar, 2 bar scaling situation. You can avoid all that by hitting when the line started getting fat right here. Crossover. Now this one never came below this. So first one, you can take the trade on the green bar. It won nicely. Next time it never came close to the blue line. The pressure is too high, then it'll never come down. It'll just stay with the red line itself. But we don't know that. Our rule says come close to the blue line. So you got one good trade here, and that's about it. As you get advanced, you can do other things too. Same thing here. Right now, the cycles on this one is fat and short only. This one's fat and short only. We are waiting for this guy. Touch the line here. Take short. Touch the line here. Take short. Touch the line here. Touch the line here. So we can take all these shots. So the perfect entry is going to be when we have everything lined up. Stochastic is going down and we have fatness, which comes right here. Stochastic is moving down. Again, same thing. Lines are fat on the 3 cycles. It goes here, touches the line. Red line is below the blue line. Blue line is touched. To take a shot here, you won that trade. Touches again. So you may have to take one trade. Boom. It comes back. It opened here, closed here, it opened here, closed here. So we have one shot here. Next line, it is going up and down. You can take one more shot here if you want. Take one more shot here. So we have 1, 2, 3 good trades. Take this shot again. This could be flat. Technically you would have won by 1 tick, but since you're entering by your hand, not by system, you will have some challenges. So this could be a loss. Take one shot again, and this one, next one, you won. Now again, if we are going against the stochastic, just have to be careful. Now again, market is in a shorting condition, starting again from this point. Take a shot here, take a shot here, you won nicely. And this time stochastic was behind you as well, and it became fat starting this point. So I'll take a shot here, I'll take a shot here, boom, boom. So you got then an idea right now. So every few hours, as I said, you will get this burst of activity when the algos get activated and we want to take shot in the direction. Again, red line is crossing below the blue line. We have the blue line. It became fat right here. Take a shot here and take a shot here. You won these 2 trades very nicely. Other trades were far away from the line. Let's take this long. Now you see this 2 cycles are long. This is fat. So we have this 3 cycles going up. Right, and the stochastic is starting to go up. So this is a very good condition where stochastic and momentum and our pressure is on the same side. So red line is above the blue line. It gets fat here, go long, and you won. Go long here. Right there, you won. It came down again. To touch it again, go long again. Boom, you take 2 trades. Boom, boom. And you won. This is the shorting cycle. 9 o'clock, New York Open. We have the short coming in. From 2 cycles are already short. 3 cycles are short now. What I will do is look for shorts only. So I will take this short when it touches the blue line. Right here, short. Next one, 2 short. You can take 2 trades. Boom, boom, 2 trades, and they both won. third one, fourth one. If it entered here, depending on somewhere where your prices are here. What I'm telling you, what I'm telling you is go short here means your entry is this point, and it close has to be below this, and it is. Entries here, close below this. It is. Entries here, closes below this. It is right here, closes here. Here, right? Entries here, closes here, below that. So we got all these good trades. $50,000 with $10,000, you're done for the day. You don't have to worry about it. Go home. Long burst, early morning at 8:45. You see this bursts coming in over and over and over. The burst started again. Come close to the blue line. Here and here. This one was the low entry. It never crossed it. This was the low entry. Never crossed it. Low entry never crossed it. We get all these 3 wins already. This one, the burst is on right there. I think we already covered this. Just got one trade and that's it. Short burst. Cycles are moving down. We have 2 cycles which are, this one is gonna go up. You can see the stochastic is ready to go. We are in a long location based on the oscillator condition. So if that is the case and we are ready to turn up, I will be very careful how many shots I will take. So if I get this shorting location, I am right here, I get very close to the line, I may take one trade and that's about it, because you remember it's all about trading, and this is close to the line, which is fat, and we got this. It never, this bar and next bar, it never closed above this price. You got this and you got this. You got 2 trades, and be aware that it's gonna blast off from here because of the SS oscillator. So getting on the whole tool set and trading, and we can sit 12 hours, day of your choice for members only, so we can tell you take short here, short here, short here, short here, or short here. Thank you very much, and hope you enjoyed the call to action. Thank you.